Every single day, millions of traders open their charts with hope and end their day in regret. They believe they're competing in a fair game, a market that rewards skill, patience, and consistency. But that belief is a lie. The Forex market was never designed for everyone to win. It was designed for the few who know. Welcome to Rise from Zero, where we expose the truths institutions don't want you to understand. If you're new here, thank you for joining this journey of truth. And to our loyal subscribers, your dedication to learning what really moves the markets keeps this channel alive. Stay until the end of this video, because what you'll hear today might completely change the way you see the financial system forever. Subscribe to Rise from Zero, the only place where we reveal institutional truths, not retail fantasies. Turn on notifications, because missing one lesson could cost you thousands in the market. Let's face it, the Forex market is the largest financial market on Earth. Over $7.5 trillion moves through it every single day. But most traders never stop to ask the most important question: who controls it? They think it's a battle between buyers and sellers. But in reality, it's a structured ecosystem designed by the most powerful institutions in the world: banks, hedge funds, and liquidity providers. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Retail traders, ordinary individuals like you and me, represent less than 6% of total volume. Yet, over 90% of retail traders lose money consistently. Why? Because they're playing a professional game with amateur tools. At Rise from Zero, we don't sugarcoat this reality. We reveal it, because understanding the truth is the first step toward changing your financial destiny. Now, let's break down what really happens behind the scenes. Keycap 1: the hidden role of liquidity. The market doesn't move randomly. It moves toward liquidity. Institutional players need liquidity to fill their massive orders. And where is liquidity found? At your stop losses. Every time retail traders cluster stop losses below a swing low or above a swing high, institutions see that as an opportunity. They push prices there, not to trap you, but to collect the liquidity they need to enter big positions. This isn't manipulation. It's market structure. You're not trading against random buyers and sellers. You're trading against professionals who engineer price movement to serve their order flow. Take the 2010 flash crash. In minutes, trillions in value evaporated, but it wasn't random. It was algorithmic rebalancing by major institutions. Retail traders lost millions. Banks gained liquidity. This system has existed for decades, and it's still the same today, just more automated. Retail education tells you, follow trend lines, use RSI divergence, wait for confirmation. But institutions designed these tools, not for them, for you. They needed retail traders to provide the liquidity that feeds institutional entries. So while retail traders wait for confirmation, banks are executing. When retail traders enter on breakouts, banks are selling into them. This is the illusion, a system that teaches you to lose predictably. If you're ready to escape the retail illusion and learn what truly drives this market, subscribe now to Rise from Zero. Every video here exposes the truths institutions spend billions to hide. Keycap for the power of time and price. Institutions don't just move the market in price, they control time. Session timing, liquidity windows, and manipulation cycles all work together. Notice how reversals often happen at the London Open or New York Open. That's not coincidence, it's timing. The market is engineered to move when liquidity peaks. Understanding timing allows you to align with institutional cycles, instead of being destroyed by them. Thank you to every subscriber staying until this point. You're part of a rare group, the few who seek truth over shortcuts. Keycap 5: Smart Money and Institutional Logic. That's why liquidity grabs exist. They create emotion in retail traders. Fear and greed generate liquidity. Institutions feed on that. To win, you must think like them. Study structure. Understand liquidity. Stop reacting, start anticipating. Keycap 6: Why Retail Traders Lose. Let's be brutally honest. Most retail traders lose because they treat trading like a lottery, not a profession. They don't have structure, risk management, or understanding. They jump from strategy to strategy, searching for perfection. But the market isn't about perfection. It's about probability and positioning. The banks don't care about your emotions. They care about one thing: liquidity. If you can't identify where the liquidity is, you're the liquidity. Thank you to every subscriber still watching. You're proving you're part of the 1% who seek mastery, not shortcuts. Keycap 7: The Path to Institutional Thinking. To survive in this market, you must unlearn everything. Forget retail myths. Study how liquidity pools form. Understand the psychology of smart money. Use the top-down approach. Start from higher time frames. Locate liquidity and align with institutional intent. Trading becomes logical when you see the full picture. You no longer chase trades. Trades come to you. You stop reacting to price. You read it. This is the mindset of the few who rise from zero and win. Keycap 8: The Reality of the Financial Ecosystem. The financial market isn't chaos. It's control. From central banks to prop firms, from liquidity providers to brokers, every layer has a purpose. Retail traders are the smallest gear in a global machine. But those who understand how the system works can profit from it without being exploited by it. Knowledge is power, and truth is freedom. Now you understand why the Forex market isn't for everyone. It's not for the impulsive, the emotional, or the uninformed. It's for the few who know, who see beyond price action and understand the deeper system. If you've watched until this point, you're already different. Because you're not just chasing profits, you're chasing truth. Thank you to every subscriber who stands for real education, not illusion. This community exists because of you. Subscribe to Rise from Zero and become part of the movement of traders who think, learn, and act like institutions. Because here, we rise with truth, not luck. At Rise from Zero, we don't chase illusions. We chase truth, results, and the financial future. Remember this: every legend in trading started as a beginner, but they rose because they sought knowledge the masses ignored. The next generation of traders belongs to those who rise from nothing and understand the real truth of the markets. Stay disciplined, stay focused, stay rising. This is Rise from Zero.